This 2024 Coachmen Catalina Trail Blazer 29th is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 35 feet 8 inches in length and features a driftwood decor interior, sleeps 6, leveling jacks, air conditioning, water heater, refrigerator, smoke detector, LP detector, slide-out, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, patio deck, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Catalina Trail Blazer 29th is 7,181 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.